So basically I just made this I don't know if you want to call it boom bap, but I'm gonna call it a boom bap type beat. I used an old school sample to achieve this and some drums from Native Instruments expansions. Here it is, coming up right now. This is where I got the sample from. I have no idea. The album cover I don't have. All I have is the paper sleeve. This is kind of baffling, but let's just go ahead and demonstrate this beat to you. I'm gonna go ahead and go into ideas tab, and basically the sample goes like this. And then I threw some drums on, so let's just throw the drums on. Let's just throw it all together and see what we're working with. Okay, so for the next part I've got like a alternative on the 4th bar. Let's just hear that soloed. And then I've got like a little breakdown with a different set of drums. And then I've got one without the Lyre, with just a high pass filter on there. And then we've got low pass filter with drums. And then basically I ended up with this full beat here. If you're interested in beat making videos and tips and tricks to do with Native Instruments, Maschine Studio and Maschine Micro Mark II, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.